1. Hotels as health clubs. Discover the ultimate wellness retreats. 2. Wellness tourism. The rise of organic culinary programs in luxury resorts. 1. Hotels as health clubs. Discover the ultimate wellness retreats. Wellness is the new luxury. How hotels are transforming into health havens. Imagine checking into a hotel and leaving healthier than when you arrived, not just relaxed, but truly transformed. That's the bold new direction the hospitality industry is taking. But here's where the debate heats up. Is this genuine care for guests' well-being, or just the latest marketing trend to capture health-savvy travelers? Beyond a room, toward a reset. More and more, travel is evolving far beyond sipping cocktails poolside or sightseeing tours. For today's traveler, getaways are about revitalization, self-improvement, and even biohacking, optimizing your mind, body, and soul using the latest science and ancient wisdom alike. Inspired by this shift, top hotels now offer everything from high-tech sleep sanctuaries to outdoor adventure fitness, recovery clinics, and menus packed with nutritious delights. And the numbers don't lie. According to a recent Flight Hub survey, over half of Americans now prioritize destinations based on their wellness offerings, choosing places with yoga retreats, holistic healing centers, and science-backed self-care amenities. If you've ever booked a spa hotel or joined a sunrise stretch class on vacation, you're part of this movement. But is this enough to truly change our approach to health, or just window dressing? That's something worth pondering. Where biohacking meets boutique. Siro's experience. One hospitality group making waves is Siro, an immersive lifestyle brand under Culinary International, which just opened its second location in Portugal's Porto, Montenegro. Siro blends luxurious hospitality with biohacking principles. Think nutrition, movement, sleep, recovery, and mindfulness. At Siro Boca Place, guests aren't just offered a bed, they get a full fitness lab for group workouts, a high-tech recovery zone with holistic therapies, and guest rooms engineered for peak rest. These sleep-optimized spaces include soundproof walls, cooling mattresses, blackout drapes, and a curated pillow menu. There's even an in-room Swedish ladder for exercises, along with yoga mats, stretch bands, and meditation pillows right in your own recovery cabinet. But this is the part most people miss. Siro encourages guests to push their limits with destination fitness experiences, from hiking adventures, complete with packs of sunscreen and electrolytes, to personalized aftercare after an intense outing. It's a holistic blend of science, luxury, and fun, yet some might wonder, is blending high-performance recovery with leisure too much? Or exactly what hospitality needs? Hyatt's new model, wellness in the workplace. Hyatt is shifting what business travel means, too. Increasingly, companies expect hotels to offer truly holistic wellness programs to boost productivity and help employees thrive, not just survive, while on the road. Hyatt's Wellbeing Collective board aims to take their wellness offerings for groups and meetings up another notch. At the Andaz 5th Avenue, you'll find options like outdoor yoga classes, specially curated breaks inspired by Miraval resorts and spas, and insider guides to the city's quietest escapes. The Sleep at Hyatt program, created with renowned sleep expert Nancy H. Rothstein, helps guests rest easy between high-stakes meetings. The Big Shake-Up, Hyatt's unique partnership with Peloton lets loyalty members earn points for simply doing a workout at the hotel, no fancy gym required. Some Hyatt hotels now even offer in-room Peloton content, or trainer-led exercise classes at conferences. Could this model of rewarding wellness shake up loyalty programs everywhere, or will it remain a niche perk? Setting sail for wellness, Oceania Cruises Aquamar experience. The wellness revolution isn't just on dry land. Oceania Cruises is now making waves with onboard wellness through Aquamar, their in-house spa and vitality concept. Travelers can enjoy everything from healing treatments and tranquil spa lounges to complimentary fitness classes, all while exploring the world. Aquamar even extends ashore via its wellness discovery tours, offering experiences like soaking in ancient Roman thermal baths, meditating with monks in Sri Lanka, or practicing Tai Chi along the Vietnamese coast. Starting this year, all staterooms will feature a collection of wellness-inspired bath and skincare essentials. But here comes the controversy: will these efforts really transform the cruise experience, or are they just extra perks competing for travelers' attention? Oceania's Chief Luxury Officer Jason Montague claims it's the dawn of a truly holistic journey, one that fuses fine dining, mindful excursions, spa care, and now in-room luxury, creating something far richer than a standard vacation. From chill to change, the rise of transformational retreats. For a new generation, led by Gen Z and millennials, the wellness journey is becoming more about transformation than simple relaxation. Many now seek spiritual depth, emotional growth, and lasting habit change. This is prompting some retreats to embrace ancient healing traditions and mind-body experiences. Ananda in the Himalayas exemplifies this approach. Guests can join sound baths using Himalayan crystal bowls and gongs, participate in ancient chants, or pursue holistic Ayurvedic healing. The goal isn't just rest, but profound renewal, helping travelers unlock balance and spiritual clarity. Here's something that might surprise you: the spiritual wellness industry, fueled by these younger travelers, is expected to soar past $9 billion by 2034. Could spiritual self-care become as mainstream as morning fitness classes, or is it destined to remain a niche for seekers? Personalized wellness, meeting guests at every stage. Hotels aren't just about generic wellness anymore. They're tailoring offerings for every phase of life, from athletes refining their skills at Saddlebrook Resort to women managing perimenopause at Canyon Ranch. Customization is the name of the game, with sleep taking center stage as a universal need. Interestingly, luxury lifestyle brand Equinox Hotels has dialed in on sleep like never before, even partnering with sleep scientist Dr. Matthew Walker for research-driven, in-room sleep technologies, and a proprietary jet lag reset tool. Guests at Equinox Hotel New York can participate in living sleep experiments, gaining access to the latest science in rest and recovery. But does this focus risk making rest yet another high-end commodity, something only the elite can truly optimize? Or is it a necessary luxury, as hustle culture collides with our growing sleep deficit? Your turn: genuine wellness or clever marketing? As the wellness wave sweeps through hospitality, the debate is far from settled. Are hotels truly raising the bar for guest health, or simply following a profitable trend? What would make a wellness-centered stay feel meaningful to you, and where do you draw the line between pampering and real self-care? Share your thoughts below. Is this a wellness revolution, or just smart branding? This article was inspired by ATN's report, Wellness Room: The Art and Science of Integrating Recovery. Discover more about the evolving landscape of hotel wellness in their full report. 2. Wellness tourism: the rise of organic culinary programs in luxury resorts. Wellness tourism and the rise of organic culinary programs in resorts, Hotelier India, mark a transformative shift in the travel industry, as health-conscious travelers increasingly seek vacations that nourish both body and mind. This trend reflects a growing demand for sustainable, mindful living, driven by rising awareness of health challenges, an expanding global organic food movement, and heightened sensitivity to immunity during pandemics. Resorts and hospitality brands are adapting fast, transforming from luxurious stays to wellness sanctuaries that prioritize holistic well-being.